Greetings from Great Use Auto Sales in Miami, Florida. Up for sale today, this 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LT package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. We'll give it a quick walk around. Then we'll take a look at the vehicle panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Then we'll take a look at the inside and take it for a test drive. Really in outstanding shape. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, show you the condition of the vehicle. Front bumper in beautiful shape, really outstanding condition. Very nice. Take a look at that lower lamp, beautiful shape. Headlamp on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition. Grille looks good, beautiful condition there. Take a look at the headlamp on the driver's side, also in beautiful shape. Lower lamp, also in beautiful condition. Take a look at the front fender on the driver's side, outstanding condition there, looks clean throughout. Let's have a small little mark right there. Besides that, looks perfect. Take a look at the front door on the driver's side, beautiful condition throughout, very nice, super clean. Rear door on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition. Take a look at the glass, looks perfect. Mirror, also in beautiful condition. Really in outstanding shape. Chrome moldings are in perfect condition. No marks or anything on them, it's very clean. Quarter panel on the driver's side, looks clean throughout, very nice shape. Does have a small little dent right there, you can't even notice it. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Rear bumpers in beautiful shape. Clean throughout, very nice. Rear lights look good. Very nice condition. Take a look at the rear glass. Also in beautiful shape. No marks or scratches on it. Very clean. Tailgate in the back looks good. Very nice. Clean throughout. Quarter panel on the passenger side looks good. Very nice. No marks or anything to show there. Very clean. Rear door on the passenger side in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice. Front door on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition, clean throughout. Take a look at the mirror on the passenger side in beautiful shape. Front fender on the passenger side looks good, clean throughout. Small little mark right there on the fender. Besides that, looks beautiful. Take a look at the hood, beautiful condition throughout, very clean, looks really nice. Take a look at the windshield, outstanding condition, no chips, no cracks on it, looks beautiful. Up on the roof, let's take a quick walk here. It's very nice, don't see any marks or anything on it, looks super clean. Very nice condition. All right, guys, well, that's going to conclude our walk around. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll take a look at the front door panel on the driver's side. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Very nice shape, clean throughout. Look at all the controls. Very nice. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Power seat for the driver with lumbar. Seats in beautiful condition, clean throughout. Very nice shape. Rugs are clean, full set of floor mats. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice. We're taking a look at the front passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Take a look at the front seat on the passenger side. Also in beautiful condition. Very clean. Rugs are clean. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Very nice, clean throughout, beautiful shape. Take a look at the armrest, also in outstanding condition. Take a look at the rear seats. Very nice. Really nice condition. Look at the rugs, beautiful shape. In the back here, it's got a couple AC vents there, a couple USB plugs, very nice. Up above, take a look at that liner, beautiful condition throughout. Really in outstanding shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel On the passenger side, door panels in beautiful condition, really in outstanding shape. Take a look at that, very nice. Rear seats also in beautiful condition. Look brand new, really in outstanding condition. Rugs are clean, full set of floor mats, very nice shape. We're sitting in this wonderful 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. We're gonna go ahead and start this baby up. I'm gonna show you the key fob. It's a smart key, so you just have to have it on your person inside the car with you. And then this one does lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. Very nice. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just put the key here. It's got a button down here to start engine and stop engine. So all you gotta do here is press the brake. And then as you can see there, you press the button and it starts right up. Perfect. And you see the gauges, they go all the way up and down. That's checking the gauges for functionality. Perfect. Very nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features on this one. So we got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, automatic window for the driver, power locks there on the door, automatic lights. This one has collision assist and lane assist. So this button in the center is for you to go ahead and adjust the distance. There you go. See, you can adjust the distance by pressing that button. So what happens is if you get too close to something, it'll brake for you and let you know that you're too close. And then beneath there, it's got this one, there's the lane one that I just turned on and off. That's the lane assist. That's the one right here. And it's got that little thing down there letting you know that you're pretty much has it on or you have it off. And it just gives you a warning if there's a car next to you and you're going to switch lanes, it'll let you know. And then this is the information center. And this is for the Bluetooth. And you can speak the commands too. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at some of the features on this one. It shows you trip computer, miles till empty, fuel life, oil life, there you go, tire pressure sensors, average speed, it's got a timer there, and it's also got the miles per hour. We'll leave it on that one for now. The controls for the highlights, low lights. And then we're taking a look here. It also has front and rear wipers. Okay, let's take a look at some of the other features. Automatic transmission with manual shift modes here on top. Electronic parking brake. Cup holders there. Down beneath here, you got an auxiliary plug, USB, and a power plug for your phone. Up above here is the radio. AC controls there on the bottom. Dashboard and everything looks brand new on this vehicle. Take a look. Really in outstanding shape. Very nice. Up above here, it's got your sunglass holder there. It's got your light for the second airbag in the front. SOS, OnStar, controls for the lights. A couple courtesy lights up here also that are LED. Very nice. Beautiful condition throughout. Let's take a look at the radio on this one. So let's go back to home. And while we're back in home here, we can see audio, phone, Wi-Fi settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and OnStar. So we'll go ahead one at a time here. AM, FM, XM radio ready. Very nice. And then you can go ahead and attach. You could attach to any one of these connections here. Bluetooth also, so I can get music off your phone. Really nice. You go back to home again. Phone, you got to pair your phone. You could do it on that page there. We're looking at Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and OnStar. So right there, you just got to connect your phone down on the bottom, and it pairs it to your phone there. Very nice. Android Auto also. Really nice. Okay, and there's the controls for your AC on the bottom here. Very nice. Car does have a full set of owner's manuals there. Full set of books. Comes with the vehicle. Really nice. Beautiful condition. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to take it for a test drive in a moment. Okay, we're all set to take the test drive here. We already have the vehicle in gear. We're just waiting for that light to change and we can go. There we go. Feels super quick. Drives really nice and smooth. This one has Michelin tires all the way around. Really nice drive. Brakes feel good. The steering wheel smooth. Very nice drive. Okay, another great feature this one has is backup camera. We're gonna go and show you how that one works. Here we go. Reverse. You can take a look at the backup camera there. And then when you turn the steering wheel, those lines turn with you. So we're backing up right here. Very nice, look at that. Perfect. We're taking a look at the trunk area in the back. Trunk area is in great shape. Look at that. Cargo space is really clean. Very nice condition. Let's take a look beneath here. Little storage space there. Beneath that, of course, you have the jack and all the tools. And the spare tire. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Really great shape. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire's in beautiful condition. Look at that tire. Really in outstanding shape. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and in outstanding condition. Michelin tires all the way around. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the driver's side, tire's in outstanding condition. Looks brand new. Look at the tire tread on there. Very nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Outstanding condition. We're taking a look at the rear tire. On the passenger side, tire's in outstanding condition. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Really outstanding condition. Take a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in outstanding condition. Looks brand new. Really in outstanding shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Really in great shape. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046. Thanks for watching.